In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to select Autofill with Google and click on Passwords. Now to edit any of your passwords, click on the chosen one, enter your screen lock and use Edit button. Then change wherever you want to, and when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!